to replace the side mirror for a 2015 to 2018 Toyota Sienna. You'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, a Phillips head screwdriver, and something to pry with. First, pry off the cap that is covering the spot where the mirror is bolted onto the door. Next, carefully pry off the panel on the door's armrest. There will be a harness attached to it. Next, locate the big screw behind the panel and remove it. Pry off the tiny panel on the door handle and remove the screw behind that. Unscrew the small bumper on the edge of the door. Now that all the screws are removed, you can pry off the door panel. Carefully work around the edges. Press in lightly to unplug the mirror harness from the door panel. Use the ratchet to remove the 3 bolts holding the mirror to the door. Now you can gently pull off the mirror. Pull the harness through the hole in the door. Align the bolts through the holes and screw the bolts on to keep the mirror in place. Then plug in the mirror. We suggest making sure the mirror moves correctly before you go any further. Now you can fully tighten. If there are any round clips attached to the door, make sure to remove them and put them back on the door panel. Use pressure to clip the panel back into place. Use the screwdriver to put the bumper back on. Then replace the screw under the window switch bezel. Press the bezel back into place. Screw the door handle back into place, then press the handle panel back on. Lastly, press the mirror bolt cap back on. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.